Hi, today I am going to tell you a story of a structure which holds love, sacrifice, and war. The story of a structure which has main fold in getting Ahmedabad India's first World Heritage City by UNESCO. India has more than 3000 plus monuments made by king for their queen, but this one is different. This was made in the loving memory of king by her queen. This is Rani Ki Vav. Rani Ki Vav is located at about 12 km outside of Ahmedabad city. This stepwell was started built in 1498 by Rana Veer Singh because his kingdom was facing a water shortage problem, so he decided to construct a large and deep stepwell. Before this project could be implemented, his kingdom was attacked by Muhammad Begra. Rana Veer Singh was killed in the battle and his territory was occupied by Muhammad Begra. Rana Veer Singh's widow, a beautiful lady known as Rani Rupaba or Rupabai, wanted to perform sati and join her husband in afterlife. However, Begra prevented from giving her upon life and give a marriage proposal with Begra. She agreed to the marriage proposal on the condition that he would first complete the building of the stepwell. Muhammad Begra, who was deeply fallen in the queen's beauty, agreed to the proposal and built the construction of the stepwell in the recorded time. Once the stepwell was completed, Begra reminded the queen about her promise to marry him. The queen, who had now achieved her objective of completing the construction of the stepwell started by her husband, she decided to end her life. She jumped into the well. Before the jump into the well, Rani Rupabai requested religious sons to take bath into the well so that the water of the stepwell can get purified by these sons, thereby delivering her from her sins. But did you know this structure was lost with the time? Just after India's independence, this structure was buried underground due to the major flood in the Saraswati river. All thanks to Archaeological Survey of India, in 1958 they started the excavation process and it took 30 years to excavate the whole 5-story structure. Now it's time for architecture characteristic of Rani Ki Vav. The Rani Ki Vav is a 5-story deep structure made up of sandstone and it represents Indo-Islamic architecture style. From the first story level, 3 staircase led to the bottom water level. This is considered as the main feature of this stepwell. It was built along the north-south axis. Entrance is from the south. The 3 staircases are from the south, west and east direction, leading to the landing which is on the northern side of the well. 4 small rooms with beautifully decorated oriel windows are provided at the landing level at the 4 corners. Above the square floor, column beams, wall and arc openings spiral around, a feature that continues to the top. The top part of the well, however, is vertical space open to sky. The 4 corners of the square are strengthened with the stone beam set at 45-degree angles. The motifs of the flower and graphics of Islamic architecture blend very well with the symbol of Hindu god carved at various floor levels of the floor. The Islamic architecture style could be attributed to Muslim King Begra, who completed the construction of the stepwell. The walls are carved with women performing daily chayos such as crooning of buttermilk, adorning themselves, scenes of performing dancers and musicians, and the king overlooking at all these activities. An interesting depiction carved from a single block of stone is Amikumbha, symbolic pot of water of life, and Kalpavriksha, a tree of life. And also seen is a fresco Navgrah. These depictions are said to attract villagers from worship during marriage and other ritual ceremonies. This was the story of Vav. See you guys in the next video with another interesting story. Please tell me in the comment box if you like this story and please share this video with your friend to know them about this structure. Thank you.